Welcome back to the playlist portal. Today we're going to take a look at the drip feature being completed inside of our playlist. Now we can look at the drip stats. Let's take a look at listeners' approximate geolocation, or AI analysis, or how many plays per track. You can also filter all tracks or individual tracks. Average play duration per track. Likes per track. You have play location, country name, plays, city name, and how many plays are there. With all of this information, you're now able to retarget and use the analytics to help move your music forward.